Whether your floor is new or whether it's a floor you've had for a while, there are still important steps to upkeeping, maintaining, and getting the longest last out of your floors. We're going to talk about that for both old and new. My name is Vinny Verga. I'm here with Big Bob's Flooring Outlet of America to talk to you today about floor maintenance. In this video, we're going to be covering the best cleaning supplies and products to make sure you get the longest life out of your floors. Vacuums, mops, Swiffers, oh my, there's a lot of options when it comes to cleaning your floor. Not to mention the cost associated with all the different cleaning materials. Let's not get it wrong and save you that money. So let's dive into the different selections and determine what's the best based on your type of floor. With carpet, a vacuum with a decent beater bar that can be raised or lowered according to the height of the carpet is important to maintenance. We don't recommend using any water on the carpet, as oversaturation can leave behind a musty odor and even cause some mold and mildew issues depending on the fiber. Instead, have the carpet professionally cleaned about once every 12 to 18 months. If you decide to use a cleaning agent, we would suggest a product like Capture. In fact, their powder pail is a really great product for just such a thing. For vinyl plank and porcelain or ceramic tile, if you're going to vacuum, be careful not to use a beater bar, as it can either scuff or even chip your tile. We recommend a microfiber mop with a neutral pH material as far as the cleaning material goes, and sweeping, as long as the broom isn't coarse enough to damage the grout. Never vacuum hardwood floors. The beater bar will scuff and destroy the surface. This high maintenance floor requires a microfiber mop and a low acidity hard surface cleaner. Just remember, the less water, the better, because hardwood's natural and it wants to soak it in. These products should be used on your floor at least once a week. And while we are on the subject, never wax your hardwood, not unless you want to be doing it every day. If you liked this video, leave a like and a comment below. We want to know about your cleaning experiences with your products. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We release a new video every week. If you still have questions, or you're ready to work with someone to begin your home renovation, reach out to your local Big Bob's Flooring Outlet. Educated flooring professionals are at every Big Bob's Flooring Outlet, and they'll walk you through your options and help you select the best one for your lifestyle, budget, and decor.